Is it harder going up or harder going down?
I don't know.
It's a little more fun going down. It's a little more exhilarating.
There we go.
This is our campsite.
Oh, I knew it was you.
We are right on the water.
Hey, shut up.
Is this incredible or what?
We can save for later.
Hi!
Hey, I can't even see myself. Oh,
I know, I can't
water
either.
drippings right in my hand. Is there a...
Aaron, can we just appreciate like the cutest photo I've ever taken
What's that?
with Emily and Pierre?
Let me see it.
Are you taking a photo of it?
We can't see it.
I know. Wait. Let me try and. Is that adorable?
We're adorable.
Adorable status.
Yes. Goals.
Milestones.
Cheers, everybody.
See him in an outside concert.
Chills for you. Monica.
Cheers.
Cheers.
The dope. Lots of the dope be passed around.
Where are we?
Jones Lake.
What are we doing?
We're camping. Emily, Pierre. Stuff.
And the mega tent.
Mega tent.
The
Whoa.
condo.
So strong.
I know. Just had a bunch of hay-alls and beers.
We set up camp.
Set up camp.
Had burgers for dinner.
Burgers for oh, I love burgers. This is Pierre and Emily,
Our BFFs.
best
What's
friends.
up, everybody? We're here hanging out.
Hanging out.
Monica, cheers.
Oh, I love the cheers. Everybody.
Come on, let's get in here.
Yo.
Emmy.
Oh, can we reach? Oh.
Oh, love it.
Guys.
Love you.
And I love Monica.
I love you too.
Really?
Interesting.
Okay.
Indeed.
So cute. Got awesome fire going. Found a bunch of like random wood around. Brought a bunch of firewood.
Yeah. It's
We
unreal.
brought so much stuff today. Okay.
Cam filming you. Okay. Jamie. Hi. Are you having fun?
Yes, lots of fun. Look at the lovely sunset. I mean, how could you not?
Unreal.
This is the best campsite you could ever ask for. It's so peaceful. It's so quiet. The boys are going to camp firewood, like,
And
but
we're
more-
just chilling, talking,
literally
drinking
chill-
our bevs.
having our nice girl time, girl chats.
This is my BFF kids. It looks a lot lighter than it is. It's actually pretty dark.
Yeah. This fire's giving off a lot of light.
Is it?
Oh, there we go. That's the moment, boys.
Yay! My BFFs and my BF.
Guys.
That's pretty awesome. Okay.
This is pretty cool. All right.
Goodbye.
Shall we say goodbye till tomorrow?
Yep.
Bye,
Unless
guys.
something crazy
Bye.
Bye, us later on in life.
happens. Bye.
That was cute. Okay. Okay, roast us 2 marshmallows because already got us 2, right?
Yeah. Your two were absolutely unreal.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What if I took a video of you burning these? Would that be embarrassing?
I'd piss. Oh, look at that. That's already steamed.
Yeah, no, you're doing a great job, but if you burnt them, would that be
Holy,
embarrassing?
this fire's, oh my gosh, that's holy F, that's hot.
Oh, Aaron, just wait for this.
I know, I'm so excited. I'm proud of you.
Look at those so far.
I saw a little burn there. Is there a little bit black?
No.
Okay, keep going, keep going. Let's see what happens. Babe, you got this. I believe in you.
Aaron, mine are bubbling up.
No way!
He jinxed me. He wanted
Oh, I made it happen. I'm so sorry. Get him off. Get him off right away.
They're fine. Aaron.
You got to restart.
No, we can eat
Game
them.
over. Hi, Monica.
No.
Oh, you're so tired. Sorry for like shine light in your face.
Next step is working into my everyday conversation.
Yeah.
Sometime.
Be a man. Okay, whoa, whoa.
Go, don't let it get wet.
They're lie. Is that a video?
Already aired.
Yeah, there we go.
Hey.
The day's starting. Hello. Mwah.
Oh my gosh, no way.
Look at that.
Oh, that's sick.
Back.
Oh, it's here. Oh, baby. Monica, I'm away.
Triple.
Why are we eating lettuce? Cause we lost. We lost in beer pong.
So we're munching.
And they dared us to eat a head of lettuce. It's fucking weird.
But it's almost done. Oh, I'm really glad I've got the hum.
That was perfect.
Congrats.
Shirt.
Congrats.
Yeah, Aaron, say you're
We're the best.
Look
Or maybe I won't.
at AJ, come here. Look at me. You having fun camping?
I'm having so much fun, babe.
I love
I
this
love
kid.
you. Love you.
Five.
Log just dipped.
Wow, Aaron! Yeah, but see, that's dangerous.
That was pretty fun.
I like it, but it's dangerous.
It was cool.
Yeah, it was cool,
But
but it
that
was
was a
dangerous.
one-time thing and stop, please.
Fuck off. So we're gonna have no firewood for when it gets dark.
Where'd my...
Oh my god.
Hi, best. Hi. This is just. Oh my god.
No,
I
you
love
go down
this
to where it
song.
was. Yeah. I can do that. It's somewhat safe. Not really.
This is the biggest
Somewhat.
fire.
Excuse me? I'm sorry, friends. I'm gonna be annoying, but like, we have to play this game.
I love you.
Babe, can you
Your money.
Oh.
With that, folks, we're out.
We had fun.
Yeah, it was unreal.
So beautiful.
Bye, Jones. See you next year.